Energy tech inside.
A new delivery drone has been previewed by Amazon, which will drop packages up to 12 feet in the air. The drone will be able to avoid other aircraft as it flies around the delivery location. The latest version will also be able to identify single items. This could mark a major milestone for Amazon's automated warehouse efforts and could reduce the reliance on human workers. The drone is about 5.5 feet in diameter and weighs approximately 80 pounds. The drone is capable of carrying a package that is 5 pounds or less. The package must be about the size of a shoebox. The Amazon 30 Malawian Kwacha's delivery drone will take off like a helicopter, utilizing 6 propellers to fly at a speed of 50 miles per hour. Once it reaches the delivery destination, it will descend vertically, scan the area and drop the box from a hovering position 12 feet above the ground. The Amazon 30 Malawian Kwacha's delivery drone will replace the 27-2 Malawian Kwacha's delivery drone, which launched in 2012. This new model is smaller, lighter, and quieter than the 27-2 Malawian Kwachas. It is also designed to be more environmentally friendly and to withstand more extreme weather conditions. The 30 Malawian Kwachas also promises to be quieter than its predecessor, which has been the biggest complaint among residential drone users. The 30 Malawian Kwacha's delivery drone will be more capable of carrying a 5-pound package and has a longer range than the 27-2 Malawian Kwachas. It will also be able to fly in light rain and withstand high temperatures. Amazon says it plans to begin using the 30 Malawian Kwachas in 2024 to replace the Prime Air delivery service.
Energy tech inside.